Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. Now I want to say about silence builds strength. Silence feels empty. It is powerful. Growth does not need noise. Thinking needs space. Silence allows clarity. Strength forms quietly. Noise distracts attention. Opinions pull direction. Silence protects energy, focus, sharpness. If you are young, value silence. Spend time alone. Think before acting. Listen more. 10 quiet minutes daily beat 2 hours of noise. Choose silence sometimes. Build inner strength. Power grows quietly. Thank you so much for giving your most valuable time. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.